Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. May jowa ka na. Jowa bells? Joker. Good afternoon. I would never see it coming, but it blinded from the start. Bakit ko ba kayo na nakapagnitin? Parang, yun. Yun na lang. Ganyan. Where's the Philippines? Sa ano? Sa Maynilad. Hi, miss. Hi, pre. I never see it coming, but it blinded from the start. Hi, Tonton. 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 Hi, Mola. Sarap matulog. Yeah. Lagi ako natutulog. You look young. Are you still studying? Yep. Still. Guys, give me some buena mano kasi ngayon lang ako ngayon lang ako nag-live. Absent ako ng 6 days. Walang wifi. Walang ilaw. I'm so fucking bored. I'm so fucking bored, guys. You know what I mean? She was the girl he would play. Taga saan po kayo, ate? Taga Manila. What program are you thinking? Busy Ed. Malamang. Nag-brown out. May bagyo kasi kaya nag-brown out. Brown out. Black out yun. Yung power color black, kaya black out. Not brown. Diba? Diba? Diba tama naman ako? Tama naman ako, diba? Hi, Rose. Marunong ka ba mag-crack ng mga daliring mo? Yeah! Bakit? Bakit kailangan i-crack yung dalili? Anong what? Daliri. What the fuck, man? Gago. Daliri. How you mean? He was the girl he would play. You would Hello, guys. Welcome. Ikaw, Trey, nag-aaral ka? Eric, how are you, Eric? How are you, Eric? You still, school. Go to school.